Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly connect your Australian Twilio number to the Retell platform. This integration allows you to leverage Retell's powerful features with your existing Australian phone number. First things first, you'll need an active Twilio account with an Australian phone number. If you don't have one, head over to the Twilio website and set one up. You'll need to purchase an Australian number specifically. Now, log into your Twilio account and go to your dashboard. From there, navigate to the section where your active phone numbers are listed. You'll want to make note of your account SID and auth token. These are crucial for connecting to Retell. You can find them on your Twilio dashboard. Next, let's head over to Retell. If you don't have a Retell account, sign up for one. Once logged in, go to your Retell dashboard and locate the Settings or Integrations section. This is where you'll manage all your connected services. Within your Retell integrations, you should see a section marked Twilio. Click on this section or select the Connect Your Twilio Number option. Now, it's time to input the credentials. Remember the account SID, auth token and your Australian Twilio number that we noted earlier. Type them into the respective fields. After entering the required information, click the Connect or Save button to initiate the connection. Retell will then authorize your information. You'll likely see a confirmation message indicating successful connection. Congratulations! Your Australian Twilio number is now successfully connected to Retell. From now on, you can manage it directly from your Retell dashboard. Enjoy the simplicity and extra efficiency, and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button for more videos.